Happy birthday! Let's go! Let's eat! Sabi mo kakain. Tara na! Hindi ka na nahiya! Makikita to ng mga tao. Good morning! I forgot. Good morning! I forgot to close the vlog last night because we had a couple of drinks. Not just a couple of drinks, we had a lot of drinks and we fell asleep na kaagad when we got back here, so I was unable to post the vlog. But today is Baler day 2, so we're off to breakfast. So far, medyo hindi kami natutuwa sa worst ng binayaran namin, but let's see, maybe they can redeem themselves through breakfast kasi tsura ko, ano ba yan? Kasi magbe-breakfast na kami. But yung kinainin namin kagabi, Kublai Bistro. Grabe, sobrang winner. Everything I love. Pati yung drinking na ginawa namin. Sobrang service was really good. Baka nga dun kami ulit uminom mamaya kasi friends na namin yung mga kuya doon. Sobrang okay yung service and sobrang okay din ang food. I felt like ang taas na tuloy ng expectations namin with base in food, but let's see. So, magbe-breakfast muna tayo today. We got our breakfast vouchers and let's see kung ano pagkain nila for breakfast. Let's go! Hey! How's it going?
Dami din tao.
You have this project called Tangbas. So, this is harap. Ito yung harap ng pinagsastayan namin. Ayan, yan siya. Walang tao masyado because we were told that it is a weekday. We just finished fixing ourselves. We're about to go to town. Baka mag-museum kami because we didn't want to do anything intense or heavy like the falls, the trekking and all. So baka mag-museum lang kami and just go around town, look for food or something to eat, ganyan. So, ayun. It's already, I think siguro mga 10 na. Late na kasi kami nagising. Tapos nag-lounge around kami. So, there. Probably sa town na rin kami mag-lunch. So, let's go. Tsura ko. What? Ano ba ito? Ano ba yan? Sunlock pa ako dito sa gilid. Okay, the parking kasi, it's far from the hotel. So, parang kailangan mag-shuttle pa kami papunta dito. Every time we have to get the car. Tapos, mag-shuttle ulit. Mula doon. Dito. Pagbabalik namin yung car, pabalik dun sa hotel. So, medyo hassle siya. So, if balak niyo magstay here, I wouldn't recommend bringing a car. Ayun, mag-commute ka na lang. Nakakapagod din kasi balik-balik sa, sa parking. So, yun. Later na ulit. So, we're now headed to Museo de Baler with our birthday boy. Birthday boy! Ayan kami. This mural dedicated to Yusuf Baler. Hi, so we're back from Museo de Baler. Tapos the entrance per person is 30 pesos. Okay lang siya, but it probably took us around 20 minutes to go over the entire place. After Anita Hills, we don't know what's in there, but we saw on this vlog that it's one of the places that we should check out. So since we don't want anything intense, kasi sobrang init din, we're gonna go there. So let's go. See you later. Still don't know what we can see in here, but this looks like a bazaar. Let's see. Sige, charot. Nag-car lang kami papunta dito. So, dapat pala, it's supposed to be rewarding kasi mahaba-haba yung hagdanan na aakyatin mo. Pero dahil, yun, nag-car kami. Wala na kaming magawa, but we can enjoy the view. Nauna pa kami mag-buy, nagpasalubong. Ano ba yan? Nakakahiya. Parang umakit lang kami dito para magpasalubong. But, the view is nice. I don't know what beach this is, but it is breathtaking, just like me. So, done na kami sa Ermita Hill. Wouldn't last a long time there or wouldn't stay a long time kasi it's a viewing deck. So, makita mo yung mga ibang beach here in Baler, but that's about it. Wouldn't do the hike, that's why hindi siya masyadong rewarding for us. Kasi, titingnan mo lang siya. Ayun, lahat na yun. Hi! So, kagagaling lang namin dun sa Chef Jerry Shan's place and it is a buffet but they do have a la carte meals. But, meron ako nakita na katabi niya, parang Yoli's Ihawan or Yoli's whatever or something. Tapos, meron silang lobster. Tapos yung lobster, it's not super big but it's only for 550 pesos. What? So, feeling ko dun ako gumawa ng shady sound effect. But, feeling ko hindi ako dun kakain today kasi nga buffet tapos magbibikini pa later. So, syempre, gusto natin medyo maliit naman yung tiyan natin mamaya. Kahit na parang wala na siyang pag-asa. But, bukas kami kakain dun. Today, we finally decided na dun na kami sa kalendarya kakain. So we're back again sa hotel. I hope you guys saw what I ate. I wasn't able to do like a talking vlog na. Doon na kami sa kalendarya kasi medyo magulo na yung place or a lot of people eating. But, oh my god, sobrang busog ko. Everything that I've had. So I had pako salad, I had paksiyo na bangus, and I also had papaitan. Everything was just for 112 pesos. So, you know, I love eating at calendarias kapag pupunta ako sa mga travels na ganito kasi, you know, may pako, yung mga specialty dishes nila. Tapos, for cheaper price. Like, compared dun sa kinain ko dito sa Base Inn kahapon, oh my god, that was such a treat. Sobrang sarap. Lalo na yung pako salad. Oh my god, it was so fresh. And everything was just so good. So, bumalik muna ulit kami sa hotel because I'm gonna take a nap. Sobrang tita, no? So we're gonna take a nap, tapos baka mag-surf kami mamayang hapon. Diba? I thought this was the best blueberry cheesecake I've tasted, but apparently, big bite. No! Ang sarap nito! Sayang, sarap na niya. Bukas ba tayo? Pwede kaya kami ng isang palabas pa lang kami ulit, and tada! May complimentary dessert na naman from Base Inn. Wala na naman kaming nagawa today. I'm sad. Pero, we're going out now and we're gonna have dinner somewhere. Baka Kublai Bistro again or some new restaurant that Bubu wanted to try kanina pa. Pero hindi namin na-try because we were just asleep the entire afternoon. Asleep. Of course, beer, of course, wings, of course, Jack Coke, my usual. And this is lechon. What did I forgot? Parang lechon something. Lechon tokwa, alegre, whatever. So,
dance?
So this is our last drink at this place. But just in case I don't get to say goodbye, ito na, mag-goodbye na ako. Thank you guys for watching this vlog. I hope you learned something new. So, bye! Thank you for watching this vlog. See you on the next one. Wow, nawala bigla yung chan niya. Kasi nag-babay siya sa vlog. Bye! Bye ka, bye-bye! Mabalik na siya. Hello, how?
Gusto mo tapos na?
Okay, done.